Hey, Terry Linde here with 5 secrets to help you build a stronger core. 1. Plank variations. Start with basic planks and gradually incorporate side planks, plank jacks, and plank reaches for a comprehensive core workout. And engage your core. Number 2. Focus on engaging core muscles during all exercises, whether it's weightlifting or cardio. This enhances stability and strength. 3. Include functional movements. Incorporate exercises like Russian twists, mountain climbers, and bicycle crunches to target different parts of your core. Number 4, controlled breathing. Practice controlled breathing techniques to improve core engagement and endurance. Breathe deeply and maintain tension in your core. And 5, consistency is key. Make core workouts a regular part of your routine. Aim for 3 to 4 times per week to see significant improvements. Want a complete core workout plan? DM me for a free guide that'll help you achieve a stronger, more defined core.